Hi guys, this is Kinjal.
And hi, this is Kinnari.
And here we are to make some fun video about ourselves and on our friendship and that filmy dance to give you a little bit information about how this all actually happened.
Please stay tuned with us, and here we go with question 1.
We both are actually college friends. I was a late admission. I joined in college 1 month after the course had started. And I was completely new. One day I was just taken to that class and introduced to the class saying that, you know what, she is a new student and she's supposed to join your batch. So we were just leaving and I think I went to the washroom and there were obviously too many girls and so this girl comes up to me and I've seen her in the class and she's like, and I wanted to go in the washroom and she's like, if you want I can help, I can take your bag and you can just go to the washroom and come back. And I said, oh sure, why not? And I found her damn sweet and helpful and she was the first one who actually came to me and spoken to me samne se on that very first day. Till that point is what I remember. But yeah, that is how we met in our class and then in the washroom where we actually started speaking to each other.
Okay, so now we are heading to question number 2. There was like some audition happening for the cultural dance committee, like cultural dance team. And since she already had a really good cultural background, she had participated in a lot of competition. She was already through the cultural dance team. And then I told her that, even I want to give audition. I don't know whether I'll get selected or not. I don't know, like I've never done this before. And so luckily, I think one person backed out from the team or they were taking new auditions. And actually, you all don't get an easy access to such teams. Luckily, she was a part of it already. And she's like, hey, chal, a lot of people are giving auditions. I'll take you with me. You just give the audition and see what happens. And actually, that was my real first ever audition I have given to get into a team or anything. And because of her, I gave audition and luckily I got selected. And from then, we have participated in so many college festivals, good ones, bad ones.
I think we've done almost all kind of shows together.
Where we've lost, we've won. So, I think the entire credit goes to her. Otherwise, I would be sitting on one bench and making notes. So, the third question is...
This is way back, I think. It's 8-9 years back or something like that. One of Kinnari's friend only, I think, she asked her, I think, that one of her brother was getting married and they were looking for choreographers and Kinnari was like, why not, like we can. She just came to me and she was like, you know what, something like this is coming up and my friend's brother is getting married. Do you want to do the Sangeet? And I was doing Sangeet before that. I'd done family Sangeets and I'd assisted a choreographer and things like that. But we'd not together done anything and I'd also not done choreography about a Sangeet for some time then. So she came to me and she's like, I said, why not? We can obviously explore this option. Like, we can do this. And we both hesitantly took it up and we were like, dekha jayega, let's just try it, we'll see whatever happens. So that was our first project that we started working together. We are glad that we took up that project because that's when we actually knew that acha, we can. So now that gets us to the fourth question.
Everybody needs to be little patient and listen to a very nice story. Okay, so there are basically two kind of people. So first is that you need to take up 2-3 degrees. You need to have a safe job, secure job, and live a very nice, happy, content life. Cut to there are another set of people who are willing to explore their passion, who are willing to listen to their heart and follow what their heart says. So the first person is me, and the latter person is Kinjal. I went out of Mumbai to pursue my masters, and then I got into a big, nice MNC company also. I worked there for another 2.5 years, and cut to Meenu. She was following her passion. She was she's a wedding planner. So she enjoyed taking up weddings, wedding events, and wedding sangeets. Already we used to take it. But then I fell sick, and I had to quit my job. I remember we were sitting at her house, and she just randomly, she's like, Kinnu, I think we should start with our own page on social media. So I am like, and she's the person who actually doesn't like social media, and she's like, hey, let's start making our own dance videos, and just create memories for ourselves. I remember those words also, that let's create memories for ourselves. Whether the page works or doesn't work, let's not have any regret that that years down the line we couldn't do what we wanted to do. Because as we said earlier, we were completely behind the camera. We used to teach people, like we used to not record what we used to do. So I am like, yeah, let's give it a shot. So I thank her because she gave me a second chance. She stood with me throughout all these years because I wanted to finish my graduation. I wanted to take up a job, and I think 4-5 years down the line, we started TFD when we could have a long time back.
Guys, I think she's being too humble and kind. She's given me all the credit, but maybe yes, to start something was my idea, but in these almost 2 years, 1.5 years, whatever we've been through it, she has been the one who's constantly pushed me every day. Okay, Meenu, you have to do this. Meenu, this video. I used to get timeline. I used to get messages in the in my chat saying that Meenu, this video, this call, this email, this. It's like a timeline, and I have to finish. Okay, nine. So I don't think this would have survived if she wouldn't have been so patient with me.
चलो फ्रेंडशिप डे पे दोनों को ही क्रेडिट दे देंगे थोड़ा. We would like to thank all our friends because I think we have harassed them a lot. Yeah, we've harassed all of our friends in terms of shooting, editing, dancing with us, and helping us with makeup, clothes, everything.
You name it, and we've asked our friends to come and help us, and they have been so nice and so kind to come and help us also. So yeah, a big shout out to them and a big thank you from both of us. Keep dancing, spread the love, and a very happy Friendships Day to you guys. Virtual hugs and kisses.
तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी ठंडे की बोतल में तेरा अपना तुझे गट मैं पी लूं कोका कोला तू शोला तू घर मोरे परदेसिया आओ पधारो पिया घर मोरे परदेसिया Where you come